Hi, welcome to my channel, and I've got to apologize to my subscribers and viewers for my long absence. Yeah, the reason is my GoPro broke and it's not doing all that well at the moment. It is temperamentally working, but not all that well at the moment. So yeah, this is my excuse. Yeah, I'm sorry for my long absence. But anyway, today I've got a video for you, and this is on a recent trip I made to overland trip, drive up to Bangkok to take my children up to Suvarnabhumi airport. And yeah, so there was 5 of us in the car. So myself, my wife, 2 daughters and my eldest daughter's boyfriend, and we all drove up to Suvarnabhumi to drop the kids off at the airport to go back to the UK. So I hope you enjoy this. It's a 2-part series on this trip. So the first installment, part 1, is when we got into Hue Hin. So this was the first day. So that was the 30th of July. And we'd already spent the night in Hue Hin. And I got up early in the morning, went for a walk on the beach. And yeah, so I'm just, waffling on about all sorts of stuff on the beach in Hue Hin. And then the second installment is about, well, again, it's all about waffle, more waffle. And yeah, that's in Prachuap Khiri Khan. That's a little bit further south. And we got down to Prachuap Khiri Khan and stayed in a nice resort there. And yeah, so that again, the following morning, I was out on the beach. And yeah, just waffling on as usual. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in.